Okay, it's Sunday and we're here at Clear Lake Park on Lake Lavon. I'm going to see if we can get a bite or two. It's not very windy, so we're giving it a quick shot. Alright, going to give it a shot here, cast out the lines and do some trolling. Alright, let's just cast it way back there and see what happens. Alright, so we'll get some exercise in. Bottom line, what we said was try the island. So we're going to do that. I just want to take a look at the point here and see if anything was biting. It looks like it would not be the case. So let's go ahead and run to the island. To give you an idea where we're headed, that's the island. Alright, so one thing we like about kayak fishing is even if we're not getting any fish, working our pecs here maybe and a few other muscles while we paddle. So we're almost at the point, should be there shortly, and hopefully we'll be getting some fish. Alright, what we'll do is we'll work our way around the island. See if we can get a hit. Alright, got a hit. The beans, got a hit. He's putting a little bend in it. See if we can work him in. Maybe he's a keeper. Alright. We got one. I don't think he's a keeper though. Alright. This one went for the crappie jig. Let's try something real quick. Right there. We're up close today. Alright, this one hit under us and it's a keeper, so we're going to keep her. Looks like a keeper. Alright, well, they seem to be hitting close to the shore on a slow troll. So, seem to be liking the white slab. We had two on the slab, the keepers, and then we had one smaller one that wasn't a keeper. So, there's a hit. Alright, very good. Seems to be along the shoreline. Right. Oh yeah, got ourselves a keeper. Cheaper to keeper. And went for the crappie jig. Crappie jig this time. Alright, here's the rig we're using. It's the slab and jig rig, but we tie it sabiki style. So 2 jigs on top in the slab. For the slab section, we use a lighter weight fishing line and a uni knot to tie the lines together, and when we snag something we just break the bottom off. These tend to just pull off and hook bends, and then we just straighten them out again, and we are able to maintain our rig. And then we're also using some braided line, so this line breaks before the braided, and that's how we're working. Had one hit over here, so we're going to see if we can get another one to hit on this point, or between the gap between the island and the shore, or the main part of the shore. I'll just kind of slow roll it again. Or a slow troll. Alright, we got a hit. Let's see if we can get him over here. Cheaper to keep a nice big one. Alright, we got a good hit here. White bass, keeper size, cool beans, right up the point, or right in the gap. Here we got another good hit. Slow troll. This one's putting a good bend in the rod. So, see what we got out of this guy. cheaper to keep her on the slab. Cool beans. All right, we're gonna call it quits today. Gotta head back to the boat ramp here. Ended up catching several on the point of the island, and then also several more over here in this gap between the island and the main part of the shoreline here at Clear Lake Park. So far, pretty good. Ended up with these guys. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ended up with 6, so we got half a dozen. Cool beans. We got some big chubby ones in there too, so. Alright, so with that, good luck, good fishing.